celebratory Shamballa style. Panel, even so, celebrate green and black. Interesting. So green stones, you should definitely put some stones in it. Definitely put some stones in it. This look interesting. I like how we have random. I like this one too. We have the tiger's eye with the onyx, the adventure. And make a bracelet like this already is definitely weird. But I do have beads like this. Beads like this have a kind of groove on the side as you can see. It makes a bracelet. I did a repair like this for somebody already. I felt so. Certain bracelets that just give you a good feeling. Something like so feminine. Should I make it for me or to campaign to sell? Well, I mean, even if I make it for me, it's a sell still because at the end of the day, anybody, any one of you could just buy stuff off of me, and you do it all the time. Am I lying? Y'all buy stuff off me all the time. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So this one have letters and an 8. 8 JR. I mean NYJ, New York, Jersey, Jets. 8. Interesting. Interesting. Other than 2K, what can we add to the bracelet, guys? Type it in the chat. Shamballa bracelet unisex. And I like it. I like it. I could definitely add some green gemstones. I should have a few. Green gemstones. Oh, I will never stop. No, I will keep the fire blazing. All right, big and serious. Let's look more. Let's look through these again. Let's see what they have to say. Didn't I not say celebration? Again, celebration. Like look, he's wearing it here again. Yeah, when you have a design, you go have it. When you got a design, you go hard with that shit, right? Look at another picture with the same bracelet. Alien. And a necklace to match too. I'd love to make this. I'd love to make stack on each other. But what are these patterns, symbols? Give it some meaning. Stones. Getting a lot of stones. Hey, look at this. This have a little gem on the side of it. It says dream. Interesting. What if I add a charm? What if I add a charm? Should this charm say 2K? Should the charm say? What should the charm say? What should the charm say, guys? What is it? Black Lives Matter. Jamaica, Jamaica. Everything. Black. Share the stream, guys. Please and thanks. Like and share, please. And help me design something. Don't just go to watch me. Don't just sit there watching. Help me choose a design. Help me come up with an idea. Comment a suggestion. No, you guys serious. Look at this skull head bracelet. That's a W. Wow, do you see that? The name is written in the adjustment. That's a cool idea too. I could put a 2K here. I could put a 2K here, chat. I could put a 2K inside here. Yeah. 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 W's. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Charm. Yin and yang. If I got yin yang for a charm, maybe yeah. Oh yes. So let's start. Let me get my tool. Number two. Basically, I got some ideas. Black and green. Gem, gemstone, the 2 and the K in the back with the adjustment, and maybe as I said a charm. Where's my K? Come here. Got my 2 and I got my K. I'll put him on the side here. Stop. I'll put you on the side first. You start running all over the place. I come to old people like a madman. Silent pattern, we killing them with a bead and bad. Let the bees hit the floor. Let the bees hit the floor. Let the bees hit the floor. Shall it go low, 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 low? Green. I got green stones. Green stones. Let's put it together, child. Let's start putting it together. Calm down. I got some gemstones I'll show you just now. Just kinda like this 3-in-1 style, yeah. That 3-in-1 style is fine. Just had to have a lot of beads to do that. And I could make it, yeah. I'll definitely do it. I'll definitely do it. I'm gonna do a 3-in-1 too. 3-in-1. Wow, so I have 5 ideas to go with this. That would be a W bracelet. Bad bracelet. Bad boy. Let's see what we come up with, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Now they go low, low, low. Boots. Did the flow. Did the flow.